Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be cash stuffing in our debt binder. I have, I think, $60 here. Let's double check. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And we should have 20 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, baby. So $60. We're going to start with Norelli's. I have my little paper clip here to remind us of where we left off from last time. All right, and we are finally starting her May group play. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just roll and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $3. Okay, we can do that. 1, 2, and 3. So how are y'all doing? I hope you're having a great Sunday. Hopefully I will get this video posted by Sunday. I hope you guys have enjoyed your weekend and are having a nice relaxing day. Arya and I went to church this morning, and after that we've just been kind of chilling at home. She's working on, she has like a little diamond painting kit. It's very cute. I wish I could do it. It looks really fun. And so she's been doing that while I do this. All right, we have Buttercup's Slumber Party Box Challenge. We are going to work on section 1. Let's do a roll and save for our toothbrush because we need to bring our toothbrush. That is for sure. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to put these two 5s back and grab this 10. So this is a free challenge in Natalie's Ko-fi. You can go grab it. It's been fun. I don't think we have finished any section yet, so we're still working on it. All right, next we have this Piggy Bingo by Our Beautiful Budgets. So let's roll and see what we're saving today. We got a 6, which is a hat. So we can cross this one off. And we're going to save $6, 5, and 6. I might make some change here, actually. Yes, I can. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to grab this 10 here. And we are going to just make this like a blackout bingo board. But that's the only roll that I'm going to be doing today for it. Oh, wait. I almost put that in the wrong envelope. I feel like I need a whole separate binder for game day because I have too many games. But I already have 2 debt binders. I do my scratch and save on Wednesdays and this one on Sundays. So I don't even know how I would incorporate more challenges. But I have so many challenges that I want to play. So many new ones that have come out, and I have them all like in a stack right here. Do you see? Do you see all these fun games? But I can only, I don't know, my binder, it's like full. So, okay, we're going to draw a card for this one. My card's in the front here. So let me mix these up a bit. Okay, so search and save, add $2. Okay, so we're finding the heart. Where is the heart? Oh, here it is. Okay, Usanvis. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay, so we're saving $4. So I'm gonna have to look this channel up and see what it's all about. So that's $4 that we're saving today. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is a box challenge by CBA Mom Saves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7. Okay, next we have Ladybug Budgets. These are some roll and saves that we've been doing. So let's roll and see what we're saving today. $1. We're gonna roll again. $3. Okay, so that's 4 total. Oops. So I'm gonna take this one, grab a 5. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next thing that we're doing is our collabs. So let me get my other book here. Okay. First, we are going to start off with our Big Bad Savings collab. So this is a giant collaboration with all of these people. I will put them in the description so you can see who they are. And we are working on this one. We're going to do this blackout style as well. So let me see where I left off last time. I don't remember. Here, I think. So this time, let me use green. 1. Okay, so we're saving $2 for that. I'm just going to go ahead and then 1, 2. So that's 6, 5, and 6. All right, and that's all we're doing for today. I'm trying to get to as many like games as I can. 5, 6, 7, 8 with Big Bad Savings. Okay, with my other collab that I'm working on, this is with Nurse Court, Eva at Budget Your Life, Cash Countess Court, and Millennial Saver, who's also named Courtney, and myself, Courtney as well. So this is a Plinko style game. So let's see what we're saving today with this. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 6. So we are saving $5 today. I think that's what we got last time. All right, I'm going to put a little tick mark on this to say that we have saved that, just so we know. All right, my next challenge here is by Floating Funds. Each icon is $2. So let's see, what should I color? I think I will do these roses right here. I'm gonna do like some yellow roses. Are these roses or are these like peonies? I don't know. Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
What is it? Oh, it's so cute. Do you want to show people what you did? Here, let me. Look at that. That's what you just made?
Mm-hmm.
It's a sticker?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a place that you're going to put it?
I want to put it somewhere. Maybe, like, do you think it'll go? Like,
On your castle? Sure.
Actually, I want to put it on water.
Okay. Go put it on your water bottle. Very cute, babe. I love it. You did such a good job on that. All right, there we go. So we have $2 going in here. All right, so in this challenge for this month, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I was pulling money out at the end of each month. I think I'm going to change that and just do when the challenge is done. I think I'm going to pull it out then. So
I can't put it on my water bottle.
Why not?
Because it will just come like, if we turn it around, then it will just see it.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you need to have somewhere flat to put it.
Yeah, like this.
Do you have a notebook? Or do you want to put it on this? That would be cute. Wow, look how cool my notebook looks with Arya's sticker. Thank you. It's beautiful. Are you going to make another one?
I want to make another one.
Okay, have fun. Okay, so this challenge is by Cindy Cat Budgets. It is our Coloring Hello Kitty challenge. We've been working on this for a while, and we still have a ways to go. So we're going to add $7 to this challenge today once I finish coloring this cloud. Thankfully today it has been nice and sunny here, so I'm very thankful for that. 5, 6, and 7. I was thinking that Arya and I might go on a bike ride later, but we'll see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $9 in here. Okay. All right, next we're going to do Glory's budget. Actually, you know what? I think I'm just going to be done with this one. I should have pulled this out last week, but I'm going to do it now. So we had one icon that we colored this month, and so we saved $5. So I'm just going to say that it's done. I was going to do the letters, but I don't know. I kind of just want it to be done because we started it so long ago. All right, so we have $5 with this. I'll put that in our finished challenges bag. What's up, baby? Ooh, so cute. That's the one you're gonna do?
But
okay.
If you get set for the little, dots.
All right,
got it.
I'll help you. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go help Arya. All right, so with Glory's budget here, we have a shut the box. So we're gonna do this. So let's see, we have a 5 and a 1. So we can do 6. So 11. Let's do 9 and 2. 8, perfect. 7, awesome. We're doing great. 5 and 2. Oh wait, that's 7. Wait, we can do 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, that's it. So we are saving $6. That's not bad, y'all. All right, $6 with this shut the box from Glory's budget. All right, next, going back to here, we have our hunting with my Gnomies. I'm gonna roll a die to see what number we're looking for and how many. Okay, so 4 ones. So let's find those ones. We have one here. 1. 2. 3 and 4. All right. So 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so $6 left to go. We can do the Hot Mess Express. This was created by Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting and Becca at Becca Budgets. This game features Bookish Mama Budgets, The Faithful Dash, Our Simplistic Life, and Ladybug Budgets. So this one was for February. They have come up with other game boards since then, but I have only done this one. so far. Okay, so we have Corinne, let's see, and Tara. And we're just going to save $1 per roll here. See if we can get a winner this time. All right, so that's $2 so far. Okay, Corinne again, and then Lindsay finally gets on the board. Okay, we'll do a blue. All right, so we're gonna do 2 more rolls. 5 and a 1. Okay, so Tara and Dawn. Okay, so Tara came really close to winning. So hopefully we'll finish this next week if we get to play it, because we're going to be starting in the back, like right after it. So we might not get to it for another couple weeks, but that's okay. So we have $6 with Hot Mess Express this week. So total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 this month with this game. All right, so next time we will start with the Spring Bingo Challenge. So I'll put that there. So we had a decent amount of things that we didn't even get to today. But that's okay. That's how it goes when you have so many fun games from the community and you're on a low income. So we can't save as much money as we want, but that's okay. All right, so we'll start next week with this bingo game. So if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you say hello if you have subscribed and you haven't said hi yet. I would love to hear from you. Thank you all so much for watching. We did complete 1 challenge today, so that is going into our finished challenges bag. Yay! And we will see what we end up saving for this month towards our debt. Let me get my random bowl of stickers here. And so if you made it to the end of this video, leave me some glasses, a pair of glasses to let me know you made it till the end. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow for Mini Mondays. Bye!